Hello, everyone. I'm Sarah, your AI guide. Welcome back to a new English lesson with Safar AI, your journey to better English. I'm here to help you learn about the irregular verbs when forming the simple past tense. Let's begin with the key points. What are irregular verbs? Common irregular verbs. Practice examples. Practice examples with sentences. Summary. What are irregular verbs? Irregular verbs are special because they don't follow the typical pattern of adding E and D to form the past tense. Instead, their past tense forms can change completely. For example, go becomes went, eat becomes ate, see becomes saw. There's no simple rule for irregular verbs, which is why you need to memorize them. Don't worry, it's easier than it sounds. We'll practice together. Common irregular verbs. Here are some common irregular verbs you'll use often. Do becomes did, come becomes came, have becomes had, get becomes got, make becomes made, read becomes read. Let's say these together. Repeat after me. Do, did. Come, came. Have, had. Get, got. Make, made. Great job. These verbs are essential for talking about past actions. Practice examples. Now, let's practice. What is the past tense for these verbs? What is the past tense of go? Went. She went to the park. Next, what's the past tense of eat? Ate. They ate lunch together. Finally, what's the past tense of see? Saw. He saw a bird. Tips for memorizing irregular verbs. Here are some tips to help you memorize irregular verbs. Group them by patterns. For example, see, saw, eat, ate, go, went. Use them in sentences. For example, I went to the mall. She ate an apple. Practice with flashcards. Repetition is key. Summary. Let's recap what we learned today. Irregular verbs don't follow standard spelling rules. You must memorize their past tense forms. Common examples include go, went, I went to the market. Eat, ate, they ate dinner. See, saw, she saw a black cat. Thanks for watching. Keep learning with Safar AI, your journey to better English. And remember, practice makes perfect.